What if Samsung is about to break every rule it's followed for over a decade? No more playing it safe. This time, they might be redefining the Galaxy Watch from the ground up. From a bold new design to features that could literally save lives, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic isn't just an upgrade. It could be Samsung's most revolutionary wearable yet. And trust me, you're not ready for what's coming. Let's talk about the biggest rumor floating around: the design. Samsung has always been known for its signature circular watch faces, but whispers in the tech world suggest that the Galaxy Watch 8 could shake things up with a more squared-off look. Now, before you scream, Samsung, don't do it. Zrenia, let's consider why they might take this leap. It could be a way to compete head-to-head with Apple's watch design, or to make better use of the screen real estate for more interactive features. Either way, it's a big deal. But the real kicker? The classic model might be making a grand return. That's right, the iconic rotating bezel, a fan-favorite feature that many were sad to see go, could be back. If this happens, Samsung might be setting up one of the biggest comebacks in wearable history. And let's not forget the features. One of the most exciting speculations is the inclusion of non-invasive blood glucose monitoring. If true, this could be a game-changer for millions of people who need to track their blood sugar without painful finger pricks. Samsung has been working on this for years, and if they nail it, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic might not just be a smartwatch, it could be a lifesaver. Now let's talk about release dates. If Samsung sticks to its usual schedule, we're looking at a July 2025 launch. But here's the thing. Samsung's unpacked events have been full of surprises lately. Could they drop a teaser earlier? Maybe even sneak in an unexpected feature we haven't seen coming? Pricing is another burning question. The Watch 7 launched at a competitive $329, with LTE versions going up slightly. If Samsung sticks to a similar pricing strategy, the Watch 8 Classic could offer an unbeatable balance of premium features and affordability, especially if the rumors about the Pro model being retired turn out to be true. But the real question is, will Samsung pull off these ambitious changes without alienating its loyal fan base? A design shift, the return of the classic model, and groundbreaking health tracking? It's a risky move, but if anyone can do it, it's Samsung. And if you think this is exciting, wait till you see what Samsung is doing with the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The upgrades, the controversies. This one's going to shock you. Click here to watch Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, the biggest upgrade and shocking controversy. And get ready for the future of Samsung tech. With that said, thanks for watching Techie Sumit, and until next time.